Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign into your Lensa's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign into your Lensa's account, firstly go ahead and open up your Lensa AI application. Tick mark on the circles to agree to the terms and conditions of Lensa and tap on Accept All and Continue. The official page of Lensa AI's account will appear on the screen. Tap on Continue with Email. On the next page, enter your email address and tap on Continue. An email with the code will be sent to your email address. Enter the code sent to your email address and tap on Submit. This is how you can log into your Lensa's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.